Hey guys, it's me, Tina. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't been here for a while, but I'm here, back again with a makeup tutorial. So I hope you enjoy. So I'm gonna first off use this Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray by Too Faced. And then I'm going to curl my eyelashes. I hate whenever I pinch myself on accident in the eyelids. And then I'm going to use an e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. And it has a spoolie on the end of it. And I have trouble finding really good eyebrow pencils. And I'd say this one's pretty good. Now I'm going to use It's Designer by Too Faced Pretty Rich palette and put that as a base coat. And then I'm going to use a blush in the Treasure Box palette by Tarte, and I'm just going to use that blush as my crease color. And then I am going to go in with Kiss Miss by the new Too Faced Dream Queen palette, and I'm going to put that all in my crease as well, and this one's like a darker pink. And then this is Let's Roll by the same Dream Queen Too Faced palette. And I'm going to put that in my outer crease. Now I'm going to go in with Winterberry by the same Too Faced palette. And I'm just going to apply that to my lids with my finger. And then I'm going to go in with Sweet on Santa and do the same thing, but more towards the outer corner of my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with Keep Your Hands to Your e.l.f. on the same palette. And I dip my finger in water to help the glitter stick to my eyes better. And so I put those all over my lids. And then next I'm going in with Clutch Your Pearls, and I use that as a highlight. And it's this really pretty like purpley, and it looks white but it's not. And I use that as highlight on my nose and my cheekbones and my inner corners. And now I'm going to go in with this Too Faced Pink Swan lip gloss, and I'm putting that all over my lips. And then I'm going to go in with my Sephora Collection eyelashes. I'm going back in with Kiss Miss from the Dream Queen palette, and I'm putting that under my eyes. And then I'm lastly putting Mary Kay Mascara Lash and Love just on my bottom lashes and to blend in my lashes. And yep, there you go. Hope you enjoyed.